How to run a vulnerability scan. A common way for a hacker to take control of your connected devices is to log into them by using well-known default usernames and passwords. And if your firmware is out of date, your device could be exposed to security vulnerabilities. The vulnerability scan allows you to scan your smart IoT devices for these weaknesses, so you can take steps to fix what is found. It's a good idea to run this scan after installing a new device and connecting it to your network. To start using the vulnerability scan, tap or swipe up on devices. Tap the scan icon near the top right. Next, you'll see a confirmation window pop up. From here, tap Start Scan. You'll see a yellow icon to the left of any vulnerable device, as well as a message at the bottom of your screen telling you how many of your devices are at risk. To learn more, tap Get Details. In the result details, you'll see a list of vulnerable devices and the actions required to secure them. For your security, you should implement these changes right away. Once your devices are secure, you can run the scan again. The warning symbols should now be gone. It's a good idea to run a scan from time to time to make sure your device's firmware isn't out of date.